Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Canva Creatives, and in this episode I'm going to be sharing with you how to use smart mockups within your Canva designs. Now to get started, we are in the Smart Mockups tab within Canva. I'm just going to quickly go through some of the mockup options that are available. So we have the smartphone options. And at the top, you can select what type of phone you're searching for. You also have desktops. Laptops, tablets, watches, TVs, etc., e-readers. Me personally, I prefer to use these mockups because then I have more creative freedom with the backdrop, the background of the design. Whereas if I use one of these, I am limited to what colors I can use because the only thing that will be changed is the image on the laptop. So everything will remain the same. So the colors in the picture would all stay the same. The picture, the images, the graphics, everything will stay the same. So now I'm going to quickly show you how to utilize one of these within your Canva designs. So we are in the tablet section, and as you can see, there's some tablet mockups here. These would be great for just some quick social media posts, but again, I like to add to it, so I'm just going to select one of these very basic options. We're going to go with this one, and I'm going to click select, and I'm just going to upload from a previous image that I have. So I'm just going to put this and I'm going to click select. Now if your image does not fit into the size of the mockup, you can always click on adjust image so that it can fit correctly. Once you've done that, you'll click save, and now we're going to click save mockup. And I have the option of downloading. Downloading is great if you want to create a quick mockup to use on your social media page, such as your Instagram stories or something of that nature. But for the purpose of this video, we're going to use this in a design. So I'm going to click use in a design. I'm going to create a custom size. So we're going to go with 1200 by 1350. And the image is now added. So now I'm going to go into elements and just style this a bit. So I'm going to use a previous flower that I had. Let's bring this down a little bit. So we're going to increase the size center. We're going to move this to the front, bring this up, make it a little bit bigger. Then we're going to add one of my colors, and maybe should we add a element? So we're just gonna add that element to it and some quick text, and there you have it, how to add a mockup from Canva within your Canva designs.